You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2019 A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, steering wheel controls. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.